look, what's this? What? Oh, 5 little ducks went up when the fish was baby up.
Ayun na ba?
Sabi niya, sayang daw, sayang ang cake. Yay! Tingnan mo si baby. Not yummy daw. Yay!
Yay! Naiirita ata siya.
Oh, ito naman hawakan mo. Uy, what's that?
Flower!
Ray, look ah! Ray, look, what's this? What? Oh, 5 little ducks went up one day. Ayan na!
Ayun na,
Gusto niya.
wala yung cake.
Over the hills and... Oh, look, what's this? Baby up!
Ayun na, wow!
Wow! Where's the balloon?
One, two, ay! Ay! Uy mo talaga yung mga bata.
Ano? You're tired na? Gas muna, gas. Sabi niya, wow, what's this? Ooh. Ayan na. Perfect spot. Ay. Sabi niya, sayang daw, sayang ang cake. Yay!
Sabi niya, ano to?
Touch. Yun na! Oh, no!
Wow!
Wow! It's okay! Mary, patawanin mo. Go. Asan na yung rat to shake?
Wala siya. Baka makatawa.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mapagod ka sa photoshoot?
Oh, yan na.
Oo.
We're clapping. Dali nga na. Nasa sayangan daw siya sa cake.
Pwede mong yan yung kamay niya. Edit mo na lang yung kamay niya.
1, 2, 3.
Ay! Mas kakainin niya yan. Wow!
Sharing.
Itmain.
Yay! Tingnan mo si baby. Yay!
Di masarap? Kaya kamaya.
Ay, sabi natin ganito lang. Not yummy daw.
Yay!
Oh, very.
Nakakayak ba yung cake?
The other hand.
Nagkakanin ko ah. Yummy. Wow.
Oh, yummy, oh. Yummy.
Oh. Mary, you dance. You sing also, you sing.
Uy, oh.
Anong kalaban?
Nakapokus na siya. Yan.
How big is baby?
Ano mo ulit guys yung kamay. Edit mo.
Galing ah.
Wow. Yay! Naiirita ata siya.
Yung texture ba?
Pero kinakain naman niya. Kinakain.
Oh, it's okay.
Ayun.
What's this?
Oh, yan. Naano ata siya.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya yung texture ng ano.
Open shut. Kasi yung sipon.
Kuya, kuya, nasa third time.
Ano ka tumingin? Dito, dito.
Two.
Bebe.